Well, hello YouTube family and friends. This is Antoinette, and I'm giving you an update on the corn plant that I air layered and then I just cut. And this is an update because I did a video before. Anyway, so I wanted you to look at this, how it's growing beautifully. So what I did was, originally I air layered it probably earlier this year, 2018, and I got a nice root ball and I planted it, but when I went to plant it, the stalk was too big, so I just chopped it. Well, I didn't chop it like a tree, but you see, I chopped it, I cut it, and I put the top part right here in the soil. And I was kind of nervous about it because it took me a long time to get my root ball. So, but what I said was, okay, and I did this, friend requested that they get a piece of the video, so I wanted to make sure that it was healthy before I turned it over. So I waited, and so look, I have a beautiful leaf coming off the part that I just cut, which tells me that it is on its way to being extremely vibrant. And the part that I cut, look at here, the part that I cut, oh, let me see if I can show it to you. See that new growth right there? Come on, come on. Lighting is terrible. Anyway, there is a new one coming right, geez Louise, I want you to see it right there. You see, there's a new one coming in. So this will be going to its new home very soon. I want to send it off before it gets too cold, and I wanted to share it with you before I sent it off. So what a wonderful plant, and it's going to go to a very beautiful home and make someone extremely happy. I'm probably going to start cutting down the rest of my plants because I got quite a few. But anyway, I wanted to share that with you. So if you like this video, click like at the bottom. Remember to love someone. Give them a hug, a kiss, and appreciate the small things. Like and subscribe the video. If you'd like to be notified of new videos, just click the top and click that bell, and when I post new videos, you'll be the first to know. God bless you and have a wonderful day. Bye.